Hi, welcome to MasterCadx YouTube channel.
In the last video, we discussed the introduction of flange coupling assembly. So today we're going to discuss how to draw each part. The first part we called it is a flange. So you can see that in a diagram. So this is a diagram of the assembly diagram. Okay, and this is each part. So total number of parts are three, which is discussed in a bill of material in our last video. The first part is a flange. So today we are going to cover it is a flange part. Next video we are going to discuss the bolt and nut, how to draw in nut. So this is a 2D diagram, but in a 2D diagram, if please see carefully that whatever the diagram is mentioned, whether it is a mention of inches or whether it is mentioned in mm. But this diagram will not mention anything here, whether mm or centimeter. So we have to verify that, or we have to carefully verify that whenever you have to draw any one part. Okay, for example, if a flange coupling we are drawing mm, so that all the remaining parts should be in mm. You should not change any units over here. This is a careful part, because so if your units will be changes, then the assembly part will be very difficult to make it over here. Okay, so this is how to make careful work regarding this flange coupling. So now in the practice or tutorial in extrude and revolve, in the flange coupling, to draw that one, you can see in a tutorial part wherein how to draw extrude and how to make it revolve command, which is a 3D command, okay, which is in a last video in a tutorial part, where we can explain, where we can understand that what is a extrude and what is a revolve. So now if you go for that is a flange coupling, we can draw extrude command also, we can draw in revolve command also. The extrude command, it required only profile, and revolve, it required is profile and axis also. Any command you can do it over, it is not necessary that one. But if you are expertise, then it can be created in any command. But some command will be, for example, revolve command will be restricted only to some diagram. You can't draw it in. So we'll go for the first part. Now this diagram is available in description, so you can download this diagram and you can practice in your home. Okay. So we'll start from the first one. So I'll open that is the Autodesk Inventor. First we'll go for the new, and the first is the part diagram, which is .ipt. Open dash. Okay. Now under that, first I have to save that file. So how to save this file? So I will create a folder. The folder name is fixture coupling assembly, and under that first part is which is flange. So now once I save, you can see that this part number 1, now it will go to the changes to this. Okay, now you can see that. Before we start this part diagram, I go for the sketch command. So in the sketch command, they are asking that which plane you have to select over. It means 2D sketches. We can go for over here also, or in selection of this directly in this plane. Okay, XY, XZ, YZ, any plane you can select over here. So first I will discuss that in using this extrude command. Okay, in extrude command, you have to see the diagram over here, that in a diagram the given it is front view. So just I zoom it over here. Okay, I will consider it only this part. Okay, So now in the given it is the front view, this is a front view and this is a side view. So this dimension you can see that from this point to this point in this one is 220 diameter. Next this one is given it is 124 diameter, and this hole which will be the shaft will be connected, that hole it will be 100 diameter. Okay, so this is the basic one. Next the number of holes are there, so it is 6 holes are there, and there is a dimension, this one is or this one in the side view which is a 20. And PCD, what is a PCD means, if you go for the hole, the center point from this center point of the hole to the center point of that object, it is the diameter is it is a 192, that's a piece circle diameter. Okay, and in a side view, I given the side view the distance. For example, from this example, this is 25 mm. You can see this in a 3D view. Okay, so this is a 25 mm, and from here to here, that dimension is, from here to here it is 125 mm. So this is your diagram. So first you have to understand the diagram properly, then you can do it either for extrude or revolve. So today in the first case, okay, I'll go for both cases, either extrude or either in revolve. The first one is extrude. So in extrude, we know that we require the object and adding the material in perpendicular directions. And revolve, only that is the adding the material in a circular condition where it is required axis. Now I'll go for it is a first one is it is a extrude. So in extrude, so this I start from here. So is the dimension is given from here to here. It is a side view, is front view is given. It is a circle. The circle dimension is 220. So here is I given that in this diagram it doesn't mention that whether it is mm or in inches or feet. So I will go for it is a standard one. It is mm. So we have to worry about that one or carefully that I change the dimension, all are in it is in mm. So before starting a part diagram, first you have to check that whether it is your diagram it is mm or not. For that one you have to go for tool, document setting, under that units, and if the length is inches then convert into the millimeter, and the remaining if you're not changing, for example mass, you take a kilogram, it doesn't affect over here, but afterwards if you go for the simulation or if you go for analysis, that time the mass is where it will be take the important role over here. Okay, so apply and close. So I will draw the first one, it is the side view which from here to here it is 220 diameter. So for that one, sketch circle and I'll write it 220 mm. Okay, because I take the all are in mm. Finish the sketch. So this is your change this one now like this. This is the diagram. You can see this. This diagram is over, which is the side view. It is a circle. Okay, so this is side view of a circle. So now I take the extrude. Start anyone, either it is the front, back, both side, anyone take that one. It doesn't mean that one. Now from here to here the distance is given 25 mm. 25 mm. Okay, either front or back. So this is the first task is completed. Now you can see this. Here is the first command is apply over here. First command, this is the first sketch which is a circle, and this is the command. If you want to change the dimension, for example if you want to change the 220 mm and that come under the sketch, then I go to over here and cursor and right click, edit the sketch, where you can change only the dimension. For example 220, so I can change it 200. Automatically if I go for finish the sketch, the dimension it will be changes. So again I will change that one. This is the sketch and the only changes the sketch, means 2D sketch, which is a 220. Okay, but if the thickness is you have to change, then you have to go for that is a 3D command. So here it's called edit the feature. Sketch means only the 2D sketch will be changes, which I change the now it is the dimension of the diameter. Edit the feature means for example it is a 25 mm. Instead of we have to change the 30 mm. It is a 3D part now. So in the 3D part, I will go for it is 30 mm. I can change and over here. So this is the difference between what is the meaning of feature and what is the sketch. So that will be again it will be next part in next upcoming parts. There is asking the some command asking the edit the feature and some command will ask the sketches. That means that if the asking the sketch, it indicate it is a 2D and feature means it indicate it is a 3D. Okay, so this is the difference between this two area. So I will retain the dimension 25 mm. Now if you go for the side view, now I complete only the diagram. Okay, up to I completed this material. Now only I am going to add a solid part. Next I'll go to remove the parts. Okay, first I'll go to the adding the parts again. Next I'll complete till over here, and next they're asking the sketch. The sketch is from here, means in the diagram. So this is a plane. So sketch and asking the which is your plane. For example, my plane is this one. Here is the dimension is from this point to this point. That dimension you can see in a front view. That dimension is 124 diameter. So 124 diameter of circle I will draw it over here. Okay. 124 diameter. Now finish the sketch. Now from this point to here, the dimension is 125 mm. Okay, so please carefully they asking the profile. If you select this profile, it becomes a wrong selection. So you have to carefully you have to select the profile. So this is my profile and the dimension is 125 mm. 125. Okay, and press OK. So here is your diagram is over. You can see this diagram. Next task is you have to remove the amount of this part, means this is a hole. You see the 3D diagrams, you can see that is a hole. So you can do it in two methods, either by hole command or either by extrude command. Both cases will be applicable. So normally you have to go for a hole command, but I will explain both methods, either extrude or hole. Okay, so first I will go for that one. First I will go for the extrude method. The extrude method again the same. First you have to select the plane either from this side or this side. Okay, front or back. So I will create a sketch. I'll take this front side. I'll draw the circle. So circle dimension is from this point to over here, which is 100 mm. You can see over here. This is the circle. So that circle dimension is 100 mm. Finish the sketch and extrude. Okay. So now here is very important role that so we have whatever that material is now is adding, but this is called it's a join. Now I'm not adding the material. Now it is a subtract the material. Now it is a cut material. So that is a cut material, and direction will be opposite. Okay, you can see that for you start from here and end with here. But in the diagram, start from here and add with the whole the materials now. So for that one, either you can give the dimension. The dimension is 125 to plus 25. It is total is 150. Okay, 125 plus directly write like this 150. Okay, now it will change this order or distance. Okay, so automatically it will be calculated. So now here is hole will be created. Okay, this is your first case. So now you can see that in a side view, this sketch indicates the extrusion first command. Second, we draw the outer one, so that is a sketch, and third one is this one. So this is the number of command is other. Each sketch there is each 3D command will be applicable. For example, if you want to change the outer one, so I have to go for only the sketch command. Okay. For example, the sketch command is given it is 124 mm. So if you want to change, then I can right click and edit the sketch. Okay. Or I have to change the dimension, the thickness I have to change it. That dimension is 125. Then I have to go for that. Right click over here and edit the future, which you can change the whatever the dimension is. You can change this way, and you have to go for update that. Okay. So this is a one method we can create a one whole audio. So I'll go back. Okay. Now next method, the whole I can draw. You see this is the first one and second one. Now the whole can create by using the whole command. Okay. So that for the asking the same thing, they're asking the what is the plane. So I will select this plane. Okay. Next they're asking the reference point, means the center point of this hole and center point of the whole object is here, right? Asking that a circle, where is the reference? So I will take that this is my reference. See here, I'll select the reference. Okay, it activated. You can see that it color it changes. You can differentiate between these two. The light blue it indicates it is a your now command is a big. Now asking that where is the center? Okay, if I select this one or this one, it indicates what is the center of this one or what is the center of this one automatically selected. You can see this one. Okay, now they are asking that what is the diameter. So that is diameter is 100 and apply. So this is also a nice method where it doesn't require any sketch command over here. Before we are drawing the sketch command and next we apply the 3D command, but here is directly without any sketch we can create the whole command over here. So this is the difference between extrude command whole and directly whole command. Okay, so you are not getting any um, different, but in whole command there is a restriction also over there. What is the restriction? For example, in next object we require this hole, and for that hole it required it is a dimension. You can see that one. For that is very difficult to draw over here. It doesn't mean that you can't draw, but we can draw it over here. Okay, but for example, it is a hole dimension is 20 mm. So I will write the 20 mm over here. Okay, but the given one condition is that is 192 PCD. 192 PCD means this point to this point. There is one circle you can see here. This is a reference circle. Okay, it is not an actual circle, it is a reference circle. And that reference circle diameter is 192. But to maintain that 192 is very difficult over here. So for that one, that time we can go for the alternative method that is called the extrude of it. So for the extrude, now they are asking that is a plane. So where is your plane order? Now I will draw the plane first. Okay, I will draw the circle which is 20. Okay, now I'll go for that. Give the dimension from this point to over here, which is 192 divided by 2. Why? Because they given it is a diameter, this circle diameter. So I will take it from center point to here. It will become radius, means 192 divided by 2. And so now it is will be. Now this circle will be repeated to the 6 times. You can see this 6 holes will be done. That can be done by two methods. Okay, either by in a sketch. Okay, there is a one pattern which is also discussed in a tutorial. Okay, there are two types of patterns are there. 2D pattern and 3D pattern. What is a 2D pattern? In a sketch, all are the 2D commands. And under that, this pattern is called is a 2D pattern. And if you go for a 3D, there is also you can see the pattern, and this pattern is also called it is a 3D pattern. Now, what is a 2D pattern? There are two types of pattern are there. One is a rectangular and another one is circular. Now, here in this diagram, this is the center point, and this center point, this circle will be rotated. Meaning it is a circular pattern. Now, in a circular pattern, so if you are activated in a circular pattern, asking the geometry. Geometry means it is a 2D sketch. Now, which you have to repeat? So, this you have to repeat over here. Okay. Next, they are asking it is a center point. Where you have to rotate in it, which point it rotates. For example, I select this axis and I will select this center point. Okay. So total it will be rotated. So next is the number of holes. Now number of holes is given it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Total is 6. Okay. So that is okay. And next, remove the sketch, extrude. Now it is remove the material. Select the properly that plane also is very important. Okay. Only that you have to select the circle over here. So this is a circle. Now here we can see the side view is adding the material. It is not adding the material, just subtract the material. And distance is 125. And the distance actually it is, if you take the diagram, okay, from here to here it is a 25 over here. Instead of that, I'll give that 25, I'll give it all. Automatically it will be selected with the 25 and okay. So this is the one method where it creates the hole over here. Okay. So where you can see that the extrusion part it is a sketch. Is it? This sketch part is created under the sketch. It will be at all that is the extrusion. Or there is an alternate method. I will go here. Okay. The alternate method, the same thing. I'll draw only the one hole. Okay. And I create a hole over here, which is the by extrusion method and cut and distance is all. So now here is only the one hole is I created. Now they are asking that the number of holes should be repeated. Again I go for a 3D model under the 3D circular pattern. Now you can see that in previous one they are asking the geometry. Why you are asking the geometry? Because it is a 2D sketch. Now they are asking the feature. Feature means these all are the feature which is you have to repeat it again. This hole is created by using this extrusion 3 features. So now I select that features. Okay, this is my feature. Okay, and next is asking the axis. Now what is the axis now here? Where it will be rotated. For example, you can select from here. Okay, so this is over here. If your doesn't axis is visible, in case axis is not visible, you can go for the reference like this. So because this circle, whatever that this diagram is loaded from the center point, you can select here also, right? So now I'll go for that. First I'll select the feature. So this is the feature already it is activated. This is my feature and axis is this is the axis. Okay, and the number of holes 6, total 360. What is the meaning of means? If you type 180 from 0 to 180, total 6 number of holes, but the 6 number holes are total it is 360. You cover into 360. Okay. What is now here? The additionally one command is increases. So for that one, some in simulation or analysis, that time we require it is a separate type of command. Okay, that will be explained in the further videos. So you have to differentiate between 3D pattern and 2D pattern. So in this video, I will discuss that how to draw that is a extrude command by using this flange again, right? Similarly, I go for that same, I can draw it by using the revolve command also. For the revolve command, I'll go for that again new, and I will draw that this is my axis and this is my profile. Okay, if you go for it is the previous one by using the extrude, the number of commands, okay, 3D command, extrusion 1, extrusion 2, whole, extrusion 3 and so on. Total 5 command I use. Maximum I can put 4 commands or it is 5. Okay, but if you go for revolve command, the number of command will be decreases. Let's see how it will be decreases. So we'll go for partial sketch. I select any one plane from here or either from the origin. Okay, any one I plane and selected area. So here is condition is the required one is axis and another is profile. So this is the axis where it will this profile will be circularly rotated because it's a cut section. If I cut that one, okay, it look like this type of way. See here, they given in the cut section like this. Okay, this indicates the cut section, and in the cut section, the side view is like this. So it required one axis and another way. This is a profile, correct? So in this profile, this called is the hatching. Actually, this is a complete hatching how to draw because this hole is not repeated. Why not here? This section now it will be there is a solid. Okay, so that's why that we should not have to create this whole part. Okay, now what is the axis distance? 125 plus 25, that is a 150 mm. So again I'll go to changes the dimension, document settings, unit, and unit in terms of millimeter, and this is kg, apply, use in sketch. So the axis is dimension is 150 mm. Okay, next I'll starting from here and finish that total 150. From now this point to over here, you have to calculate distance. Now how to calculate distance? We know that from this point to this point distance is 220. Now how to only take half of that one, 220 divided by 2. So I'll take this as a right angle. So you can see that 90 degree. Okay, 220 divided by 2. So it automatically calculated the distance is 110. Okay, now I'll finish over here. Now from here to here the distance is 25 mm. Okay, from here to here. Now how to calculate this distance from here to here? That I can go for 220 minus 124 divided by 2. Why is it divided by 2 means? So whatever the distance is come, for example, if I go open the calc, 220 minus 124, that answer is 96. 96 means this distance plus this distance. That's why that I have to go for divided by 2, means that distance become 48. So I'll go for line command and directly as it is 48. Next is distance is from this point to over here, it is 125. Next distance is, you can see here, from this point to over here. For that one, 124 minus 100, it is 24. So 24 means this plus this. So I record only this distance means 24 divided by 2, that is 12 mm. So I will do the 12 mm. Next, from here to directly have to join that. Either by directly give the 150 mm because we total distance we know that from here to here is 150, 125 plus 25, or directly go to the cursor and directly connect it over here. Any one method is you can do it over here. So this is your profile which is starting to the ending leg. But you can see this, there is one line which is unnecessary from this point to over here. So you have to remove this one. So if I select the complete line will be deleted. So So only the particle line you have to delete. Then I can go for the trim command, which is discussing the tutorial. So trim means unwanted line. So unwanted line means this is the unwanted line. You have to delete this one. Okay. So this is our profile and this is the axis. So I finish the sketch. I'll activate the revolve command. First they asking the profile. Okay. So this is my profile and next is the axis will ask. So this is my axis. So totality 360 degree and okay. So within the one command it will be this object it is created and remaining part is it is whole which is I am discussing last method which is the extrude method. The same method I will go for over here which is sketch. Next I create a one circle. Okay, which circle dimension is 20 and dimension is 192. It is the diameter. I take it is a radius area. Okay, 192 divided by 2. Okay, 20 mm and distance between this center point to or here it is 192 divided by 2. Finish the sketch. Extrude. And in extrude now material is adding and remove my material total distance is all. Okay, you can see it is all over. So totally it will be created again. So next one I'll go for it is circular pattern. Asking the feature. Feature means this is my feature over here. And axis is I can select over here or from here. Anyone that is correct. Okay, so total is 6. Okay, now you can see this. The number of command is only 3, but the diagram is similar. I can make it out the previous one. Okay, this is the first one and this is the second one. Okay, I can just rotate this one. Okay, so this is done by the extrude command and this is done by the revolve command. In revolve command total it is 3 commands are used and if you use for that one the first one it is a extrude command. Okay, where we can use that it is a 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, but diagram are similar. So this is the first part of flange, okay, which we are discussing. After we have to save this file is very important. So after the flange coupling, so you have to give the what is the material in the introduction part. If you go for the introduction part, there is a this flange is given. It is a cast iron. So now I will give the cast iron. How to give the cast iron? So go to the flange. Okay, right click, high properties, and under that physical, go to the area and there is a cast iron. There is a cast iron and apply. Okay, so automatically the color it will be changes. So this is you have to do the final behavior. Next part nut and bolt we discuss in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.